Alright guys, well, it's not even going to be a kit review, just little tip really. This is the S10 respirator bag. I've noticed quite a few people on YouTube are using these as EDC bags or medic bags, whatever really. I've just dragged mine out and filled it full of stuff. Can get quite a lot of stuff in here really. Water bottle, food, you name it, it's in there. So that's the S10 respirator bag. Pretty good considering you can pick them up for as little as £5 off of eBay, and you can use them for all sorts, from medic kits to pan storage, sort of whatever you want really. EDC bag. So yeah, thanks for watching.